How to sell Bitcoin on Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can sell Bitcoin on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To sell Bitcoin, you need to have Bitcoin. To have Bitcoin, you need to either get paid in Bitcoin or you need to actually be able to buy Bitcoin. Now, assuming you want to sell your Bitcoin, if you have some Bitcoins available, open up Cash App. At the home page, you will see this type of interface where you can just come to the home tab like this and you will see this. Now over here, you'll find the option called Bitcoin. Tap on Bitcoin. Now in my case, I don't have Bitcoin, so that I want to sell it. That's why I'm seeing the option called buy Bitcoin. But if you do have Bitcoin, you'll find the option to sell it. So then you can tap the sell option there and then you'll be able to sell your Bitcoin in that way. This way you'll be able to sell Bitcoin on Cash App. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.